Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'm going to talk about the problems and issues with the Redmi Y2. Now before we get started, Redmi Y2 is an amazing phone, it's a great value for money, and there are a lot of good things about this phone. So to know more about that, check out my video on reasons to buy Redmi Y2. In this video, I'm just going to talk about the negative things or the cons of this phone. Now with that said, let's get started. Now the first con with this phone would be the plastic build. Now almost all the phones launched by Redmi in this price segment come with a semi-metal build with a metal back panel and two plastic strips at the top and bottom for antennas, like the Redmi Note 3, Note 4, Note 5, Redmi 5, last year's Redmi 4, and so on. So basically all these phones had semi-metal build, which kinda looked premium. But this phone comes with a plastic build and some fake antenna lines. Now I don't have any issues with the plastic build, but I wish it had a metal build too. Now the next major con with this phone would be the display. This phone packs a huge 5.99-inch IPS display with just HD plus resolution. Now for regular usage, this resolution won't be a problem, but if you're someone who likes to play a lot of games, you will notice the lack of pixels over there. Now that's the only con with the display, and that too if you love to game a lot. Now the final issue with this phone would be the weight. This phone weighs 170 grams and it just doesn't make any sense. Redmi Note 5, which comes with a similar form factor, similar size display, weighs 180 grams, but it has a metal build and comes with a bigger 4000 mAh battery. Now this phone has a plastic build, comes with a smaller 3000 mAh battery, but still weighs 170 grams. Now if you put on a case, it'll be over 180 grams, and if you're someone who doesn't like heavy phones, then this phone might not be right for you. So guys, those were the only 3 problems, issues and cons that I could find with the Redmi Y2. In rest of the aspects, it is pretty good. Now these are definitely not any major issues, more like nitpicking. Now with all that said, this is definitely still a great value for money. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What are your reasons to buy this phone or not buy this phone? Or you maybe don't like something about this phone? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you want us to make any specific video on this phone or any other phone out there, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and I'll try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.